Hey guys, we're going to walk through the 2023 Shasta 25FK. Great unit by Shasta. This camper is at 29 feet, 10 inches, 8 feet wide. Look at that beautiful outside kitchen. Let's take a walk around this camper, see what all we have to offer. Nice little back storage rack there. It comes standard in all these campers. Let's walk through this thing and see what all we have to offer here. Again, the beautiful look on the outside kitchen. Nice plumbed in sink there. Let's take a walk inside here. As soon as you walk in the door, you got a couple of storage options right there in the left hand side. Booth dinette there, and of course this is a front kitchen, so you have your 12-volt refrigerator directly to your right. Nice little 3-burner cooktop there. Plenty of counter space. Look at all that counter space. Storage above and below, as well as to your left there. Nice little coverage, so it looks like a single basin sink. Nice little booth dinette, turns into a bed as well. And we have a theater seating directly to your left. So reclines, so that way you can watch the football game. And there is your TV with a sound bar. Controls the speakers on the outside of the camper as well as the inside. Moving on back, you have a little bit of towel rack and everything right across from the bathroom. But moving into the bathroom, vanity right there, as well as a corner shower. Nice big, plenty of room to move around in that shower there. And of course, there's your toilet. Plenty of space in that bathroom. They're not going to feel cramped in there. So coming out of the bathroom there's a better view of the cabinet across from the bathroom there. There's your nice big queen bed in the slide. Directly across, you have a nice cabinetry, plenty of room to store any of your clothes, nice little place to hang the TV. And of course, we're going to give you a nice big walk through the camper there, kind of everything in motion. Again, nice big slide with the dinette and the theater seating, view of that front kitchen. Thanks for joining us with the Shasta 25FK.